Hello everybody, it's the co-owner here, and this is my 2025 home office tour. So if we come over here, we have my MacBook that's mainly used for editing iPhone footage and making music connected to my monitor and stuff. We have my desk phone. We have a place to work on stuff. Down here, you can see my 2 routers that I have going. And then if we turn around, we have my guitar. We have server stuff. We have my excess amount of Respawn gum by 5. We have my cables bag. We have my MacBook Pro. We have games holding up my TV. Then down here, we have the brand box games, and then my little fire hazard that I love. And then if we turn around from here, we have where I sleep. Now, there's plans for 2025. I'll tell you some of them. A network switch is soon going to be going here. And this desk and cables are probably going to get reworked so they're all managed and don't look like how they do right now. So, yeah, and I'll probably not be recording on an iPhone anymore, and I'll probably have a proper camera.